let's turn to Jana from Jasper, if we can. Jana, if you will, go right ahead with your question.
I was the driver in a single car accident, and I was injured when the airbags in the driver's side did not go off, and I had my seatbelt on. But there was no passenger in the car, and all the passenger side airbags went off. And I had a bad head injury with black eyes and everything. And I was just wondering about product liability with airbags.
We've seen some of that.
Yeah, I had one just recently where we have airbag cases all the time. And what you have a lot of times is you'll have a wreck, the airbag didn't go off for whatever reason, should have gone off, met the speed criteria, met the crush criteria, but the person wasn't badly injured, which is good. That's a good thing.
Absolutely.
But in terms of whether or not there's a case there, it costs a significant amount of money, time, resources to prosecute one of those cases. So what we see in airbag cases, where those are cases that we can pursue on behalf of people, is when you have serious traumatic head injury. Then I think if y'all remember, there were some airbag cases that exploded, and there were shards of metal that actually went into people's faces. We had them severing arteries. I mean, it was just really traumatic to people of all ages, and it was just it was horrific. And then a lot of times we have situations where airbags go off and they do cause a little bit of harm. Well, you know, that just comes with the territory, I think. And you know, those airbags are designed to operate a certain way, and sometimes people do actually receive some minor injuries. Haven't seen anything major from an airbag, but we do get complaints sometimes that, hey, the airbag went off and it caused, you know, some serious abrasions on my arms. My face was banged up, but you know, at least there wasn't at least it wasn't worse.
Yeah, and generally speaking, the consequences of no airbag would have been
Absolutely.
a lot worse.
Well, Jana, we certainly appreciate you calling in as well.